In a world grappling with the profound challenges posed by pandemics such as COVID-19, we came up with a solution to revolutionize pandemic response efforts. By harnessing the synergistic power of gene sequencing and cutting-edge technology, we have developed an approach that dramatically accelerates the process of genetic analysis. Through the utilization of pre-trained protein-based language models, we have successfully compressed the analysis timeline from hours to mere minutes, enabling real-time decision-making in critical situations. Central to our methodology is the extraction of intricate insights from genetic sequences, facilitated by the generation of multi-dimensional embeddings and a subsequent distance matrix. This transformative process not only expedites analysis but also enhances accuracy, allowing for rapid and precise characterization of viral strains. We are reshaping the landscape of genetic analysis and fortifying our collective resilience against emerging infectious diseases.